Everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to save and print a document and how can we send a document to a client. So, glad you see, hit that like button and let's get started. Save and print a document. To print a document, click the printer icon at the top to save it on your computer. Click download and then select PDF or document format. So here we have print option. By clicking on that, it will get like this to print the document. Now, send a document to a client. Share documents with your clients via SMS, email or open channels. When you preview a document, the list of channels is shown on the top. The active ones are highlighted. The inactive ones are grayed out like this. SMS. If you choose this channel, your client will get a message with a link to your document. To use this option, you should first set up an integration with a messaging service. Email. You can select this option if you have a client's email address. They will receive your document in PDF format. So, right now I am clicking mail option. The file is attached as here. Open channel. This item is available if your client contacted you earlier beyond the communication channel connected to your Bitrix24. You can't intimate a conventional on your own. To send a link to your document, copy it to the clipboard. First, a document will be provided for downloading or printing PDF format. Clicking on settings gear icon to view all available channels, recorded them to access the frequently used channel fast, like this. In this way, you can print and send document to the client. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thanks for watching.